Bagun Sebastianची फिरगोज आखे आल्त मारगांव गोवा घडून हाडटात सोलो आनी दुयेत कोंकणी गितां गावपाची स्पर्धा कांतारां लारां 2025 जानेराचे 25 वेर सांजेच्या 6 वाजता आखे आल्त इगोर्जे लागीं. पूण ते आदीं आमचो ऑडिशन रावंड जातलो जानेराचे 17 तारखेर. तर इश्टनो आखींची फिरगोजकारां तुमची वाट पळयत आसात आनी तुमकां दर एका स्पर्धकाक बरो येस हांव येतात. मोग आसूं.
As Avito said, we are all set and ready for Kantaram Lharam 2025, powered by the Nave Marg Foundation. We have received entries from all over Goa, and we are all set for the first audition round on the 17th. We wish you best of luck, guys. And to the rest of you, the parishioners of Ake are excited to see each and every one of you at the St. Sebastian Parish Church on 25th at 6 p.m. sharp to witness the finalists. So see you all there.